Welcome to Thought Leader Life, where we are helping to democratize thought leadership. Join us each week where we interview a new thought leader about what it takes to become and maintain thought leadership in a number of different vertical markets. To learn more, check out www.thoughtleaderlife.com. Hi, Mitchell Levy, global credibility expert. Welcome to this special credibility episode of Thought Leader Life, where you can listen to really successful business people like you share their special sauce. They will focus on their CPOP, the customer point of pain they solve for their audience, and the credibility they use to demonstrate their ability to do what they do. You'll get ideas, and you'll get to know our expert guest. Today's guest is Tad Stevens, who focuses on direct response internet marketing for his and other online businesses, including executive, business, and life coaches, as well as business consultant speakers, and those with a message or offer to turn into an automated intellectual property offer. Tad, welcome.
Hey, Mitchell.
So, thank you, Tad. Good to have you. Good to see you. Nice to be with you.
Great to be here. Great to be here.
Hey, just super quick, what's your CPOP? What's your customer point of pain?
My customer's point of pain is, in their mind, more leads or more clients, when in actuality, I believe it is more stability and the fact that they want to make sure they're going to be here in a year.
I like it. So if you're going to expand, I guess we could expand on two areas. One, I kind of read it in your profile. Who are your customers? Let's do that one quickly, and then let's expand on what you do.
My primary customers are executive coaches or business coaches, a few life coaches, business consultants, some speakers, basically anyone that has intellectual property or a message that they deliver in either from the stage, in person, through consulting engagements, things like that, but they don't have it online and they don't have it automated in a way that they can deliver it without them actually having to get involved.
Got it. And so what is it that you do?
I do the automation in the delivery that they don't have to get involved piece. Set it up so that it leads into what they're doing now. So say like a speaker, for example, has a product that they deliver or they sell from the stage. And they have speaking gigs that they want to engage in for more than that product would sell for. Well, I automate that product such that it brings them higher paying speaking gigs. So it brings them their high ticket offer, so to speak.
Nice. By the way, I know some of the answers to these questions because you and I have been collaborating for about a year-ish. But in terms of credibility, what is the credibility? How do you have credibility to do what you do?
Well, I started off not knowing much of anything, and I got to where I am basically by trial and error and a lot of studying. I've been doing online marketing for about 17 years, 15, 17 years, somewhere around there. Run a website called cpethink.com where we've been selling continuing education to US-based CPAs for that whole time. We are a tier 1 internet CPE provider. So I have been marketing through that site for that whole time, pay-per-click, SEO, funnels, offers, content, all kinds of stuff. And then about 7, 8 years ago, I started doing local online marketing, started doing national-based online marketing for others, been into and have developed and done programs for video marketing, social media marketing, really big on LinkedIn. I think LinkedIn is a great place to be if you do it properly. So more than anything, I guess I've been doing it for a long time.
So the credibility, so there's so many different ways to get credibility. Your credibility is primarily from the School of Hard Knocks?
You could say the last few years have been. I have a few degrees in various business-related topics, accounting, economics, IT. But the part what I'm doing right now has really been self-taught and trial and error over a period of 10 to 15 years. So, yeah.
what I like about so here's Tad. If you're an expert, you have knowledge inside of you. You need to get it out. You need to expand who you are. You need to put a product in place, and the product can sell you when you're not in the room. What I like about Tad is your ability to essentially figure out what is the right A/B test? How do you actually test? How do you actually do things? How can you spend maybe a little bit of money here, a little bit of money there, and then figure out, okay, based on the results, let's go here. And so if you're interested, I definitely would encourage you to go to Tad Stevens. Tad, how do people reach out to you?
Easiest way is to go to LinkedIn and look for my profile. There's not that many Tad Stevens spelled with PH out there. You could just do a Google search for me, or you can go to our website where we do the funnels and the marketing from, which is acceleratedfunnels.com.
Acceleratedfunnels.com. All right, we'll put that in the show notes. We'll resurrect this. We've streamlined to Facebook. We'll also share this on YouTube and other places that we share content. I'm curious to hear your thoughts, your feedback. If you like what you see here and you're seeing this on Facebook, give us comments. If you've seen this on YouTube, give us feedback. If you're hearing this on Stitcher or Apple or anywhere else, please give us feedback. Let me know what you think. Going to do a whole series of listening to experts like Tad Stevens talk about their secret sauce and how do they get others to want to come and play in their playground. Tad, thanks so much for joining me. Look forward to everyone else who joined us. Look forward to seeing you at another episode of Thought Leader Life. Take care.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Thought Leader Life. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and activate us by going to thoughtleaderlife.com/activate. Till next time.